because the network was so bad. I my record was uh, bricked just now. Mm, let's we continue. Uh, we also can add the float value value to the list. We can say the float value added to it. Also, we can add other tabs. We can add a list. It have C and D. We append it. We can see the the list have the sublist. It also was a list. Mm, we can also add others such as dictionary. We can see it in there. The continue way will show some other stacks. Mm, the list silence. It's used for we uh choose um choose some value from the list, such as we want to get for the two elements in the list at head list head. We can use this. We can see we get two value in the hand, and you also can write you want to uh get the value start from which point from the list and end from list from where. This means we choose value from uh, index 0 uh, to index 2. We can see it has a same has a same function. Mm, and we can use this to get the other values. We can see we use from index 2 and get uh every value for after it. There we can see it not include the two value from the list hand. Uh, let's we continue. And there we have I remember it has another ability. A to 1, C and D. Oh, I remember this usage is we choose value from 0 to 5, and in this choose we use we choose interview by 2, or when it means uh two when we meet two value, we only choose one of them, such as we choose a one, and because every step will be two, we choose the one we in the two in this two value, and they will choose one in this value, and then we will choose this value in this two value, so we can get the list as this. Mm, um,
Reverse.
and next, I will show you the how to reverse the list. We use this. Um, Uh, in the in a three palm, we give it negative one like this. We can say uh the last value turned into the first, and the reserve two to there. Um. Okay, let's we see the official document. What does it have? Another we want to learn. Uh, oh, I, I, I think that we in our programmer we usually uh will want to get use every value from this list, so we can use use a for loop to get every value from them like this. uh, for one value from oh sorry, for one value in A, there needs for uh for there need for space bar, there need for need for space bar. Then we can print this value. We can see it prints the value line and one line and one line. Mm, in programmer, we usually process this value as you use this method. Mm, let me see the next. Let me see the next. Mm, the next we will learn. Oh, this. I think a technical point like this. Was there was mm, append function. Append function. If we add a list to it, we can see he add the list to a list. There have two layer of list. If we want to add every value from this list, we can use extend. Extend. Let's we test it. Mm, we can see there not was not there was not a list. There was two value. Use extend can ex expect the two value to it can release the two value to there. Mm, let's we say how which mm, uh okay, I think the very useful usage in Python. We ought to use this func like to oh we often use this func to content many value. If we use value save those value to the um to there. Second, secondly, as we say, if you learn the if you was a programmer, you also often know the if condition like this. Mm, that I will not to explain it because it was too basic. Oh, I think we can continue to test the dictionary type like this like this. It's a basic usage like this. We give it a value. The king is A. The value was key one, and we use uh, score bucket. We can get the value. If we input value, if not in the dictionary, it will reset the king error like this. Mm, mm. In there has another usage, other technical point, like it was generation, such as we also we let's redefine a list. Five, six. Such as VUC equals this. We can use look this. It will loop for in the list and get every value from list from there. And we also can write code as is if the if one uh Oh, sorry. We can get this. We can look at that. Um, we want to get um every every e- every value from the list if it can um if um, the remainder of this this number when divided by 2 remainder the remainder of this value or the remainder of this number the remainder of this number mm, we want get our value from the list which can remainder the which which can divided which can divided 2 and the remainder was 0. So we can use this syntax. Mm, it also can use the dictionary. Mm, mm, there is a single quote. Such as we have a value d. It has two key and value. We can print it like this. We can use this func mm, for key and value in value d and in the new dictionary we set the key uh like add a key string the value add the value string. There need for. It means for the key and the value in this dictionary. Um, sorry, it's missed a terms. The dictionary can we can't we can use a terms to unpack it. Uh,
divide
We can divide and and mm, okay, let's we continue. We can see we generate a new dictionary. The key add a string key. The value add a string value. Let's we see. Does there have another technical point? Oh, there was some function can use for list, such as if we if the list only have the uh, membric is only have member and element uh, value e use this. We can the Python built-in function supports sum the list like this. 1, 2, 3. The sum value was the statistic value was the statistic value was 6. The statistic value was 6. And we can get max value. The max number was 3. And mini and average. Eh? Sorry, the Python not support this. Mm, as we continue, define function. Let me open the um AI. I have a question. Oh, that's a new, mm, that's new for function and or new uh, keyword in Python. Um, I never see it begin. Um, until today, I saw the official document. We can see it. We can see how to use it. Um, we process this data and let it to match the data. Let's we write a demo to test it. Mm, list A equal, we give it many value for one value in list A. A, what the fuck? We can match one value, match one. We can match his his integer friends. It is integer is string. We print it. It is string. Is list print list. That's a why? Okay. Let's use it interactive interpreter and run this file. It only matches sorry. Um, it's my wrong. Oh, I know. The Python defines those value type as this only three letter. We now we run this programmer. We can see it will print two times int and two times string. The first was two times string and two times int and one times list. We can try. No, sorry. We can see twice of string, twice of integer, and one time of list. It's a very useful function. Where it's matrix point. It means this match capability can inherit by the class. You can customer design class to support it, and you need to define the match x. You should define this value. Mm, mm, we no we can focus on the uh,
Enumeration.
enumeration. Enumeration type. Enumeration. The enumeration was very useful in our programmer. We can write a simple. The wind was too heavy. Let me continue. We add a new file there. Um, in enumeration, enumeration, we can from the in new import in new we class uh such was we have do it have any many type of many animals we can uh the dog, sheep, sheep, and the calf. We usually will not see it in the zoo. cough, cough, CALF, CALF, and uh, we only our zoo only have the three type of animal. Then we can print it. Look, we directly print the class. We can see a enumeration, a enumeration, enumerate, en-
Enumerate.
enumerate. It's a enumerate type, and we can also use this. Mm, we get the dog. Let's see. It print this. It's a dog. Let's look. What it print is what type? We can see it also was enumerate type, and also in some case we will write mm, uh, im some information here, such as we have uh, system error type, such as you need input the value as we need format, such as this, a
Enumerate.
enumerate such as this, enumerate only has this value. We can mm, print the system error type. Mm, get we can get its name and its value. Oh, here we can get the string type of the enumeration name and the enumeration value. We can read it as this. Um, Today my study over here. Tomorrow I will continue. I will practice my English every day. I will try my best because I will care my family and my baby, but I will never stop, never give up.